Hi friends, I hope all of you that are watching this video have had a chance to pick up a DIY Zen Garden kit from the library. But if you didn't, you don't need one in order to make it. You just need a few simple materials. You can see my phone is pointed at. You need a shallow dish. You need sand. You need a few stones. And in lieu of a rake, we're going to use a fork. Okay, so to get started, I pre-measured the sand in the kits, but if you're doing this at home, I'm using about a quarter cup of sand. My measuring cup is only about that full. I'm going to pour it into my shallow dish. All right, so it's a little bumpy right now. I'm just going to give it a gentle shake till it smooths out. Then you can do this in either way. You can either place your rocks first and then create your Zen design, or you can create your design first and then place your rocks within the design. So I'm going to start my design. Try to keep consistent motions. So Zen Garden is a good way to spend a few minutes to relax when you're feeling stressed. Once you've created your design, you can leave that there. If you decide you don't like it, remove your stones, give it another gentle shake, and create a new pattern. This is your garden. It's for your stress relief. It's up to you. I hope you've enjoyed making your own Zen Garden kit. Thank you for picking up a bag at the library or participating at home. Have a wonderful day, friends.